Hi students, how are you? Today we are going to start our second chapter, that is the role of government in health. In a democratic country, the people expect us the government will do work for people's welfare, especially in the field of education, health, employment, housing, etc. In this chapter, we are going to examine the meanings and problems related to health. Then, okay, let us start the chapter. What is health? Our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. That means health. But health is not only about diseases, but also the factors led us to the disease. For example, if people get a cleaning water or pollution free environment, they will be healthy. But the malnutrition and poor living condition led them to illness. They also need the facility to live without mental stress, means tension. And if the mind and body fit, we will be free from illness. Healthcare in India. India has largest number of medical colleges. Every year 15,000 of new doctors are qualifying. Most of the doctors are settled down in urban area. Rural areas have only less number of doctors. Then, while comparing with the population of rural area, the urban have less population. Then, the rural area only have less doctors and more population. The urban area have less population and more doctors. But in our day, healthcare facilities are growing. While we taking an example of our surroundings, in Perindalmanna, we have to see within 30 years emerged more than 4 multi-speciality hospitals and a number of well-equipped clinics. Even though in our country a lot of persons are dying due to TB, malaria, dengue and also even now COVID-19. Medical tourists are coming to India for treatment in some of the hospitals. We have to see a lot of foreigners are coming to KIMS Al Shifa Perindalmanna. Likewise, a lot of foreigners are depending a lot of Indian hospitals. But still now, we cannot provide clean drinking water to all Indians. Only hospitals and medical facilities are available here. But good circumstances to live for people is not available in all over India. India is the third largest producer of medicine. But in India, half of all children do not get a adequate food to eat and all are undergone to malnutrition. Healthcare services provided in India. There were two types of healthcare services are provided in India. First one is the public healthcare service and second one is the private healthcare service. What is the public healthcare service? It is called public because the government established these health centers and hospitals in order to fulfill and providing better health care to all citizens. It is aimed to look after the health of large number of people. A lot of measures were started by government to eradicate the health issues of people. Mission Indradhanush related with the vaccination is an example. Our Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda starts this on 25th December 2014. It aims the full immunization coverage of all people of India. Likewise, the National Health Assurance Mission, which aims the free drug and diagnostic, and also the insurance coverage is another example. But still now, a lot of problems were existed related with the health care. Long queue in the front of outpatient department OPD is an example for this improper facility. OPD means outpatient department. Outpatient means the people brought first or who are not being admitted in the hospital. Public healthcare facilities help to provide medical support both in rural and also in urban areas. The primary health center or PHC at village level is an example. At district level, there is district hospital. District hospital aims for the supervising of all health centers. The funding for the running of public healthcare department is collecting from the taxes paid by people. The public healthcare departments provides low and free cost services to all people. Public healthcare department is also taking measures to prevent the spread of TB, malaria, jaundice, etc. Even though more than 8 million children die every year due to these preventable infections. According to our constitution, it is the primary duty of our government to make sure the welfare of people and provide healthcare facility to all people of India. It is the duty of government to protect the life of all citizens. Government must provide necessary health services including the treatment in emergency situations. The hospital and medical staff also must have to provide necessary treatments to the people. The next section is the private health facilities. Private health facilities are run or owned by the private sector. A lot of doctors also have private clinics. The RMBs or registered medical practitioners can be seen in the rural areas also. Urban areas have a large number of doctors, especially the specialist doctors. Lot of diagnostic centers and also the pharmaceutical shops are run by the private health department. But the main particularity is that the private health sector is not controlled by the government. Therefore, the patients need to pay more money. In India, 20% of the total population only can pay the money in private sector. Now we are going to learn about the health care and equality. It helps us to examine whether the adequate health care is available to all people of India. While analyzing, we have to see that private service is increasing and public is very less. People compelled to depend the private. Private section is mainly concentrated in the urban areas and their service charge is very high. They are providing inadequate medicines. Not in all the private section, but some of the private centers are providing inadequate medicines also. And people cannot afford the money or the expense of private centers. But most of the diseases are due to the malnutrition and poor living circumstances. Government should have to take measures to eradicate these circumstances. Likewise, in most families, women got less consideration than that of men, and that is why they are not consulting the doctor in proper time. So, the death of women also increasing. Tribal areas have few public healthcare centers and most of them do not run properly. Private healthcare facilities also is not available in these sections or areas. What can be done? Then we must have to think about the resolving issues. We must have to understand that the government only can eradicate the health problems from people. It is the responsibility of government. The government must provide equal health care to all citizens. And also, they must have to work to improve the health situation of people. For example, the measures done by Kerala government. In 1996, 40% of the entire state budget given to the panchayat. Then, the responsibility of maintaining the proper health and education of people is also transferred to village level. When the village level authority get more concentration on these areas, they can done proper planning in water, food, women development and also in education. And health centers also become improved. Even though Still now some problems need to be eradicated. The shortage of medicine, insufficient hospital beds, and also enough doctors were some of them. Costa Rica approach. Then what is the Costa Rica approach? Costa Rica is the healthiest country in South America. They maintains no army and using their whole budget on people's health, education and also for fulfilling the basic needs of people such as clean drinking water and sanitization, nutrition and also housing. In short, from this chapter we learn about the health condition of India and also the measures should have to taken for its improvement. I hope all of you understood the chapter very well. Thank you for watching.